GCExcel is a feature-rich Excel document API based on VSTO. The library is fast, efficient, and lightweight. GCExcel for Java includes all the features that are supported in the .NET version. This video walks through how to automatically filter data in a spreadsheet using GCExcel Java. In this scenario, we'll automatically filter data with any weights less than 72. First, initialize the workbook. Get worksheet 0 in the workbook. Add a range of data that contains the weight column. Set the data to the range of cells in the worksheet. Set the autofilter property of the worksheet range to filter the fourth column with values less than 72. Save the workbook. Run the application. The weight column is filtered to less than 72. For more tutorials, blogs, and code samples, visit grapecity.com.